Oh, sorry I missed the beginning of it, but, we're getting hit by a... Oh, We're getting hit pretty hard by a supercell right now. Just a couple of seconds ago, we just got done having a little bit of pea-sized hail. Though I think that's done. This thing's moving by pretty quickly. Almost lost a board on our back fence, so that was pretty exciting. Oh, this is gonna be loud. I won't be able to record for long, but yeah, I'll record however long I can. The storm completely took me off guard. And here's why you always check radar. Oh, that definitely hit some. Jeez. Well, this is crazy Porter, Texas weather signing off again.